Welcome to Home on the Ranch. I've got to do some tractor work in the stalls today, so look who it is. It's Mom and Mabry are riding, and Mom's on Boone. And I told Boone that that's the real boss, so he better behave himself or he's gonna end up at the sale barn. And Mabry's riding Maggie. All right, girls, have fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we enjoy doing this, and we hope you guys too. Hey, tell a few friends, send the video to somebody. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys.